never been more excited in my entire life to show you guys what I have here. I don't know if you knew, but I'm a Kuromi girl. If you've been following me for a long time, then you know. Here is the brand new Kuromi Gel X kit from Aprés. So today we're gonna do some Kuromi nails. So the Kuromi Aprés Gel X kit comes with these neutralish, pinkish Gel X tips, which was super helpful to me because I always paint my nails that color anyways, so saved me some time. I really loved those. Anyways, just prepping my nails how I normally do, filing the nails, filing my nails, applying dehydrator, and then I added a layer of the Extend gel on all of my natural nails, cured it, and then added the gel to the back of each nail extension before curing those on my natural nails as well. And then for the design, I really wanted to draw like the top of Kuromi's head, which was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. I just drew a semicircle and some triangles and I was done. And then I just did French tips on all of the other nails, which was really easy because these nails have French tip guides on them. Lastly, I just added a bunch of rhinestones, finished it off with this gorgeous iridescent top coat, and here are the final nails. I love them. Let me know what you guys think.